Hello and welcome to the Lazy Gardener. I'm just grabbing my watering can. Woo. Okay, so today it's February and we're starting off the rock wall. Woo.
Some people dream of good things. Very few people stay awake and do them. People dream of good things.
I'm just gonna get it like completely drenched. Cool. So the first one I'm going to be doing is a larger sweet pepper called Gypsy. Scissors. But why would you have scissors that you can find? Okay, so I can't have more than 20. So 6, 12, 13, 14, 15, that's fine. There we go, that's going to go in there. And now can I get the others out? There! That's probably the best success I've had all year. Okay. So what I'm doing is popping them into the rock wall. So, like this. Oh my god, it's so much easier when it's open. So I have a couple left over. I'm just going to put them in there. Oh no, I dropped one. 1, 2, 3. So I've got 3 left. Exciting times. So I'm just going to pop these back in here. And now I'm going to label because my new resolution is always label everything. Okay. Okay, so these would be sweet peppers. Okay, and then it would be Gypsy. Hello, Alfie. So I'm going to put it a general there. What's the matter, Squeaky? What's the matter? Why are you covered in mud? Right, next one. The next one I'm going to do is a sweet pepper. It's a snack bite mix. So there's only 5 of these. Oh no, there's 6. So brilliant. I'm going to use all 6 of these. What's the matter? Why are you squeaking? Mummy, come in a minute. He doesn't like the cold. I know, I'm just saying you don't like the cold. Yeah. Very sad boy. Have you locked yourself outside? Squeaky squeak. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Wonderful. So I'm going to pop that there. Okay. I'm just going to put that into the propagator. Give me a second.
I'm going to leave these pepper plants in the propagator until they're big enough to handle, and then I'm going to move them over to the hydroponics. The hydroponics are inside in my garage with the dog's licking his leg. Are in the stop licking your leg. Are in the garage, so they're going to be out of the frost and they're going to be fine to plant out in the coming weeks. They're probably going to be planted out in about 6 to 8 weeks. They're probably going to be moving into hydroponics. The water will be heated. They'll be in a room that is frost free, heated and lit, so it's not something I need to worry about. I've got grow lights that will take them all the way through to fruiting. So once again, nothing to be worrying about. So I'm really excited about this because we've actually expanded our hydroponics from last year, which were 4. Was it 4? Yeah, it was 4 tomato plants, and now we have 20 spots. So I'm going to do 15 peppers, probably 5 eggplant, and then I'm going to carry on doing my 4 tomatoes outdoors because they're fine. So I'm really excited about this one. Okay, thanks for watching. Bye bye.